Gentlemen, how are we all doing today? I hope you all are having a fantastic day and feeling like you're on top of the world. Gentlemen, you clicked on this video for one reason and one reason only. You want to attract something into your life. Whether it be a car, a lifestyle, a mansion, a girl, whatever it may be. Gentlemen, I'm here to help you. I'm here to give you 3 things you can do to start attracting those things into your life. Let's get into it. Before we get into it, what I need you to do right now for me, I need you to pick up your finger, whatever finger you want, right? I need you to scroll down, go down, right? If you're in a computer, I need you to scroll, right? Just scroll just a bit, and you see there's gonna be a little like button. I need you to click on it right now on the video. Click on it, because that right there is going to help you out with this video. It's going to make you attract all the things you want into your life. You need to like this video right now, or else it's not going to work. Alright, so the first thing you want to do to start attracting things into your life, gentlemen, you need to have a vision. Alright, you need to picture whatever it is that you want, whether it be, like I said, a car, a mansion, a lifestyle, a career goal, whatever it may be. Gentlemen, you need to picture, you need to have that vision in your head. Gentlemen, you need to envision yourself living in that moment, whether it be you driving that car, or you living in that mansion, or getting that promotion, whatever it is that you want to attract in your life. You need to be envisioning yourself in that moment. All right, it's important to do this because that right there is going to help you manifest, going to give you an idea of what you want. You can start that process of attracting that thing, that vision that you want. Okay, so once you have that, once you have your vision, once you have that thing that you want to attract, the second thing you want to do is start living like you have it already. So for example, I'm gonna use a car because it's much easier. My dream car is a McLaren, so I already vision myself having a McLaren, driving down the beach and just having a good time driving, feeling like $1,000,000. Now that I have that vision in my head, I have to act as if I have it already, and that's going to help me put it into action. Put whatever vision I want, make me start working towards that vision. Makes me, because the way it works is, once you have that vision, you act like you have it. You have to now preserve it. All right, because let's face it, McLarens, they're worth a lot of money, right? And I'm not just going to buy a McLaren and then I forget, maybe I have a house or maybe I have something else I gotta pay, right? I got stuff to pay. How do you preserve it? You gotta work, you gotta make money, and that it goes for everything. Whether it be a promotion, right? You already vision yourself a promotion, you gotta act like you already have that promotion. Start being a leader in your division, start being a leader in your group, and guess what's gonna happen? Sooner or later, you're gonna get that promotion. It even works for working out and trying to have that dream body, right? So you gotta envision yourself at that dream weight and start acting like you're already at that dream weight, and you need to preserve it. You start eating and working out like if you have that dream weight and you're trying to keep it, right? That's going to help you, because in a few weeks, few months, few years, that's gonna happen. The third thing, after you have the vision and you start acting like you have it, obviously you need to put it all into action. You need to start working for that thing, all right? Because this is not going to work if you just vision it and you just act like it and you don't actually put any work into it. You need to put the work to get to that place, all right? The universe is going to bring that stuff towards you, but you need to start putting action as well. You need to do your part. You can't leave it all up to the universe. That's like leaving it up to life happening and you just sitting there waiting for everything to happen. Like, that's not gonna work. Just think about it. Wherever you are right now, think of what happens if you do one step every single day, whether it be, let's say, getting a promotion, becoming CEO or something like that, right? And you're at the bottom. Think about just working every single day, doing something better, getting more results every single day. Eventually, 1 or 2 years from now, you're going to be in a different spot than you were or where you are right now, right? It's going to happen. All you need to do is put in the work and trust that the universe is going to attract the things into your life. Trust me, if you have the vision, you put in the work, everything is going to align. You're going to attract that thing you always wanted. And a little bonus tip for you guys, because you guys are awesome: remain positive, all right? Not, like I said, not everything's going to happen in one shot or overnight. You have to remain positive. The more positive you think, the more positive the outcome will occur. If you think negative, the more negativity you're going to attract. You don't want that, right? You want to attract positivity, because that's going to help you grow. That's going to manifest all the things you want in your life. So remain positive, remain patient as well. Trust me, the universe is going to give you what you want. All you have to do is work for it and act like you have it. And don't forget the vision. Gentlemen, I hope this video can help you out. It is helping me out so far. I've been trying this method for a while now, and I've been starting to notice little things that I want to attract in my life, starting to notice them actually coming into my life just by putting in the work, having the vision, and acting as if I already have that thing that I want. I hope you all have a great rest of the day, and other than that, I will see you in the next one. Peace.